What's going on, guys? Two Bros Garage back at it again today. We're going to be working on the Ford. I'm going to pressure wash the engine. I'm going to pressure wash the door jambs. I'm also going to pressure wash the rims and tires, try to get everything degreased, ready to go. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. This is just the beginning of the makeover. Today we're going to work on the exterior. Then the next video is going to be on buffing the paint and turning it over, making it look nice again. Stay tuned, y'all. Filthy, man. I'm just degreasing the crap out of it, to be honest. It'll be all right. Probably years of not being taken care of, you know. It's just what it is. Sometimes it happens, man. I just hope this car could go to somebody and that they're gonna appreciate it and take care of it. Get that with the pressure washer. You guys can see what I'm working with. You guys can see what I'm working with there. Filthy. But the car's in good shape, man. I'm telling you. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a time lapse now for you guys. It looks all right. It's turning out good, man. Look, I'm excited. Got all that dirt, oil, everything off of it. Probably years of dirt on there. I'm gonna paint the wheels black though. That's gonna change because they're peeling. Buff out the body, tint it out. Shoot, probably drive it for a little bit if I have to make sure it's good before I sell it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Next video will be the buff job, polish, maybe the tint. And I gotta get some exhaust work done. I'll show you guys here. That hanger right there fell off, that one there, and caused a hole in the exhaust. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that welded, and then it'll be quiet, but it's a lot better than when it got here. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, man. Two Bros Garage out of here. God bless y'all.